Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to use the heat map on TradingView. So first of all, we click on products, screeners, and we click on stocks. We can also do it for ETFs or what you want. And then right here we have the heat map. Then there are a lot of things, not that much, but there are a few things that you need to know, because right here we can change the indexes or what we want to see right here on the chart. So we can also do a Nasdaq 100 index if you want to, but please decide here which one you want to use. Then after that, we have also a market cap. So we can select here the 1 day chart, the 1 week, or the 1 month chart. And then you see here everything that you need to see. We can change right here the change in 1 hour or 4 hours. And we can select here the performances or the pre-market or post-market change if you want to. We also have here some other options that we can select. And then right here we have a sector. So now we have a sector or we have a no group, but I like the sector because that is very nice to see which sectors are doing great right here in the Nasdaq 100 index. But this is the most interesting things that you need to know how to use the heat map on TradingView. So hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.